Welcome to Money Goals Mastery. In this video, we're going to show you how adopting a frugal lifestyle can help you start saving thousands of dollars. Whether you're paying off debt, saving for a big goal, or simply want to take control of your finances. Learning to live frugally is the first step towards financial freedom. First, let's define frugal living. Frugal living isn't about being cheap or depriving yourself. It's about making conscious decisions with your money and resources. It means prioritizing needs over wants, finding value in the things you spend on, and eliminating unnecessary expenses. By focusing on quality over quantity, you can live a more intentional and fulfilling life while keeping more money in your pocket. Frugal living is about maximizing the impact of your hard earned money and directing it towards what truly matters. Now, let's get into the practical steps. Step 1 to saving thousands is creating a budget. You can't control your finances if you don't know where your money is going. Start by tracking every dollar you earn and spend. Use a simple spreadsheet, a mobile app like Mint or YNAB, or even a pen and paper. Categorize your spending: housing, food, transportation, savings, and discretionary spending. This will give you a clear picture of where you can cut back. Once you see your spending laid out, you'll quickly notice areas where you're overspending. For example, those daily $5 coffees. That's over $1,500 a year you could be saving. Next, let's talk about smart shopping. When you adopt a frugal lifestyle, every purchase should be intentional. Start by making a shopping list before you head to the store and stick to it. Look for sales, use apps for cashback rewards, and don't be afraid to buy generic brands. You'll be surprised how much you can save just by shopping smarter. Meal prepping and cooking at home is another key area where you can save hundreds each month. Dining out less frequently and reducing food waste can make a significant impact on your wallet. Step 3, review your subscriptions and recurring payments. Many of us are signed up for services we don't even use, whether it's a gym membership, a streaming service, or a magazine subscription. Cancel the ones you're not actively using or switch to a cheaper alternative. This is an easy way to free up hundreds of dollars annually with just a few clicks. Another way to live frugally is by embracing dye and second-hand shopping. Before you buy something new, ask yourself, can I repair what I already have? Or can I find it second-hand? Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like eBay and Facebook Marketplace are treasure troves for high-quality, gently used items at a fraction of the price. By buying used and doing more projects yourself, you can stretch your budget significantly without sacrificing quality or style. Step 5 is where the real savings magic happens: automating your savings and investing wisely. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account or retirement fund each month. That way, you're paying yourself first. Even small contributions of $50 or $100 per month can grow into thousands over the years, thanks to compound interest. Additionally, educate yourself on low cost investments such as index funds or IRAs to make your money work for you in the long term. Finally, decluttering your home can not only make your space feel lighter but also put some extra cash in your pocket. Go through your closets, your garage, or your storage and sell anything you no longer use. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to turn unused items into money you can add directly to your savings. By following these frugal living steps: creating a budget, shopping smarter, cutting unnecessary expenses, embracing second-hand shopping, automating savings, and decluttering, you can start saving thousands over time. Frugal living isn't about deprivation, it's about gaining control of your finances, spending on what truly matters, and living a more intentional life. Start today and watch how these small changes can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money saving tips, and share your favorite frugal living tip in the comments below.